Hi, I'm going to show you how to create an email link that when they click on it, it will pop up like this. So if you have a long last name or a challenging last name that you have to spell kind of like Alexis, sorry Alexis, but she showed me how to do this and I just thought I would make a video and send it out to everyone. So if you want to be able to do this, then this is how, and then just ask me or Alexis for the link to show you how. So if this happens and I send you this link and you want to do it, what you will do is you'll just copy and paste. So first copy this email. You're going to open it up in a new tab and paste it. And then since I want it for me, I'm just going to come into where her email is and just type in my email. Once I do that, I just hit enter to make sure that it worked. And now it should just pop up as if just like this, and a student can immediately just put in their subject then and do that and send, and it's super easy. So now to connect this to my Canvas page, we are going to go to my home page. I now have an email button. So I'm going to go into edit. I'm going to click on my button, and then I'm going to go up here to where it has this link chain. I'm going to hit external link. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to copy, make sure that it is your name, and then I'm just going to paste and hit done. Once it does that, I'm going to hit save. My bad. I'm going to hit save. And then a hand pops up. So now I'm just going to click on it, and it should just automatically pull it up. And this way it's just easier for the kids to just pull it up, send an email, and they don't have to go through other ways of sending an email. So there's another way also. If you do not have a button, what you could do is just create like a text. So if you're inside, say, a home, say just down here, I'm going to push it over to the right, to the left, my bad, and just say email me here. And then I'm going to just highlight this, hit external link, put my email, and then that is linked there. So if you don't want to create a button or anything, you can just create a text, highlight it, link it, and it does the exact same thing. This is just an easier way in case you do have a longer last name or you just want them just to easily email you. That's one way to do that. If you would like to do that and you would like to have this original email, and just let me or Alexis know, and I'm sure we can help you out.